Welcome to my comic room. Today, eBay delivered. I've been purchasing off the same eBay buyer for a few times now because he's got some good stuff. On top of that, I know the origin of some of these things that he's getting, including this recent win of a Foom issue. And I'll be honest with you, I've always liked Foom, but I can't tell you which one's which. This particular one has a cover with Jarvis on the front, and I figured, why not get another Foom? The thing is, this Foom was also from a collection that was owned by the seller's brother, who was also a friend of mine. He passed away, and I was fortunate enough to get a few books. However, there are some that he kept behind because he was figuring, well, he would sell a few, and I figured I would buy a few. So this particular one is a 9.4, if I'm not mistaken, on the grading scale. What was interesting is, as he was telling me, is he was going to put in a goodie. And he did put in a goodie. This used to hang up in my friend's vault. And when I say vault, I mean vault. He had a literal vault to hold his comic books. So to tell you a little bit about that vault, when he first started talking about it, there was a group of us, and we were in a group chat. And he mentioned about having a vault for his comics. And we actually thought he was just going to do like a 2-bedroom addition to the house with a nice plaque saying the vault. He upped everyone. He actually created a vault, cinder block walls, fire suppression unit, 1,000-pound door, alarm system, of course, climate control, even a TV that would lift out so when he was in there he can, well, watch something. And he had areas in each particular section of the wall. I dare say maybe they were 3 feet by 3 feet. And two things I heard. One is he was going to actually place artwork in that spot. Two was he was going to actually paint in those areas. And both of them, I think, would have been great. Maybe back and forth. Unfortunately, that never happened. But one of the things that was in there was this Invincible Iron Man. It's kind of metal. I will find a spot for it. 2 areas which I can put right up there. Miss going to that vault. It was great to see, receive everything that he had. And now, oh, wow. All right, so I winded up getting a Foom in the bidding. And that was a 9.4, as I mentioned. I've gotten another Foom, which I have out in the living room displayed. And this one will go next to it. This is from the summer in 1974, which I thought was interesting because there's an interview in here with Jarvis. Now, I'll be honest, that wasn't the reason where I decided, let me try to go after this Foom issue. It's because Tiger was on the back. When Tiger joined the West Coast Avengers in that limited series, I became a fan, and I wanted to get the cat, but I never fully did. I believe I have a few issues out of the 4. I'm missing 1, and one day I hope to get them graded. But as an eBay seller, he is amazing. As a friend, I dare say even more so, because he actually sent me another Foom. This one's number 14. It's a 9.0 with a beautiful cover of Red Sonja and Conan. And I dare say maybe the person on the back might be a villain of Conan. I don't know. But the Foom magazines were friends of old Marvel, and they were oversized, magazine size, and now I have 3. I would like to have a goal of getting them all. I was originally planning on getting them a 9.4 or better. I might have to do a 9.0 or better because, you know, come on, man. Can't get rid of this. This is great. I want to have this as well displayed out there. So that was my eBay unboxing. I know it wasn't big or huge, or actually technically they are a large size, but they are something that I enjoy, and that's one of the most important messages I can convey during these videos that I do, whether they're a minute or running over 5. Remember, collect what you love, because if you don't, what's the point of collecting it? Thanks for watching. Oh, and being that I'm doing this more for YouTube than I am for Instagram, I'd appreciate if you subscribe, hit the like button. If you want to do some comments as I learn more about doing YouTube, I will get back to you. You can reach me through Instagram as well at Tenerb1107. It's probably easier for me to get back to you then. I would love to talk comic books. And once again, thanks for watching, and be kind.